Hi, today's question came from a calculator paper. It was worth 4 marks, 2 marks for each section. It's grade 4. So hit pause, have a go, and press play when you are ready to see the solution. Okay, so the first part is substitution, and they really like using negative numbers because it can easily go wrong in the calculator. So very common to see on a calculator paper, very common to see a negative number, because if you don't know what you're doing in the calculator and you just throw it in, it will actually give you the wrong answer. So we're going to look at that. First thing I'm going to do is just expand out 4m squared minus 11 so I can see clearly what it is I'm going to be doing. So I've got that 4 times n squared minus 11. And you will notice that I am substituting the negative 3 into where the m is, but with brackets. It's really important that I use brackets if I'm going to use the calculator. Otherwise, the calculator is going to give a result of minus 9 rather than 9. Minus 3 times minus 3 is 9. So when you put this in the calculator, you can either put it in at the stage of 4 times bracket minus 3 squared minus 11. It will give you 25. Or you can work out that middle section. Moving on to part B, rearranging is what needs to be done here to make P the subject. Now, some people prefer it to look the way they're used to, if that makes sense. So D equals 3P plus 4 is kind of back to front, and 3P plus 4 equals D feels more familiar. Swap it round if that's what makes you comfortable. If you don't need to, you won't. So here we're just going to do what we normally do for solving equations. We're going to work on getting P on its own. So I'm going to hop the 4. It will land as minus 4. That leaves me 3P equals D minus 4. And then I just need to get rid of the 3. So move the 3 across. It'll land as its opposite, which is divide. And we've got our final answer. If you're finding these useful, please do subscribe. We're throwing them out every single day during term time, and I really hope that they are a useful addition to your revision.